Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys and girls I should say. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to start doing rust repair on the GSX today. So pretty much going to take everything I can out. Like I said, get everything out and start fixing the rust. You can see got a big hole over there on that strut tower. Typical of DSMs. If you know DSMs, you know all about that. And then there's some little stuff back in here, so we're going to clean all that up, and there's just some surface rust underneath all this stuff. We are going to clean all that up. We might be filling in these little dimples. Hopefully you can see them on there.
A little bit, yeah.
So we're going to clean all that stuff up, do the rust repair, and then repaint it. And I'm thinking I'm going to stick with white. Kyle wants me to do black. We'll see how far apart I get it. That'll kind of depend on whether we stay white or not in the bay. Yeah, so I'm going to get started tearing this apart.
Black don't crack, so can't go wrong with that.
Quality. Worldmanship.
All the bolts are different.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Alright, so we got this side pretty well tore down. I still do got to take the intercooler piping off. But just for purpose of this, you can see that rust I was talking about down there. It does appear that we have a hole right there. I'm not sure if it was meant to be there or not.
Yeah,
but
that looks like it was.
it won't be anymore. And then this underneath the cruise control is a lot worse than I thought it was. And I was actually worried when I was taking it off that I was going to rip all that right out. So thankfully it actually did come out, and we got more to fix now. So I'm going to keep working on this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it's been a couple weeks since we started on this. We actually had to put it back together and move it. It didn't work, but tried to do some side work. So it's all back apart now, and we're moving on to taking out this intercooler down here. I already started on it, didn't think about recording it, so it's partially done already, as I'm sure you'll notice as we do this. So, but I thought you guys might like to see this. See if I can get you to stay. There we go. Alright. Also, we picked pretty much the coldest night of the year to do this, so that's fun. Oh, we got about 6 inches of snow outside right now. So I got 2 of the bolts out already. Hopefully you can see those. There's one up here, there's one up underneath here, and there's one behind it there. And of course you gotta disconnect the intercooler piping. So you gotta finish taking this one out here. That's the sound there. Kyle's gonna hold that for me while we twist this off. And it's super nasty, so it's probably not been out for 20 years. I know it's the stock one, and my guess honestly is that it has not ever been out of the car. But it's out now. Lots of room for activities down there. Probably won't do anything with it. but
Shit.
fuck it. I mean, screw it. So now we got to take out all this plastic on the front to make room for the new 10-inch intercooler. Finish powder coating all of the pipes. I got a couple of them done already. But yeah, so all this plastic on the front here needs to come out to make room for the big intercooler that's going to be going in. I'm doing wrinkled black on the intercooler piping, and I have 3 valve covers. I'm probably going to do 3 different ones. I'm probably going to do one shaved in that sparkly red color that the turbo is in the last video, one shaved black and one not shaved wrinkle black. We'll see. I don't know. We got options, and I can change them out as I feel like it. We're going to be working on doing the battery relocation. So the battery used to sit right there. Obviously the tray's still in there. It's going to be moving back to the trunk. The fuse box is then going to be relocated down underneath where the tray is sitting right now, but right in that general area. I gotta look into how to get rid of cruise control, but I know there's a way. So that'll be next down there. And then, yeah, rust repair. So obviously got some rust going on. It's nothing bad yet on this side, so that shouldn't be too hard to clean up. So we're gonna fix that all up. And then we got this giant hole over here that I'm sure you guys have seen in some of the videos. Not giant, it's about a quarter size. So we're gonna be fixing that. Yeah, that's his thumb on it.
I have small hands.
So we're gonna be fixing that. We do have a welder. We just purchased a TIG welder, so that's definitely gonna come in handy. Yeah, a lot of work to do. The Evo's still sitting here. Trans is halfway in. You see it there, nice and tilted. We just about had it in our trans jack, our new trans jack. Started to tip because of the angle we need to get in at, so we need to recruit a third person. So at some point my son's gonna come out and stand on this side of the trans jack so we can get more tilt on it, get it up in there, and then that project will be done. And as you all know, he's been buying tons of parts, so there's tons more parts to buy. So yeah, we're doing both at the same time and trying to do basic automotive repair. So we're busy, and we both have full-time jobs.
And we have to work on the 3000.
And we got the 3000 GT to do. Hopefully that'll be a fun one though. We're gonna wide body, try and bag it. It'll be our first attempt at bagging something, so that'll be cool. So yeah,
First attempt at wide bodying something too.
first attempt at wide bodying too. In case y'all didn't know, we did start selling merch. I think you might have seen some of it. Kyle, you want to show my hoodie?
I think we've shown it before, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, it is in the thumbnail, one of the pictures. Yeah, so that was our first drop. We actually did 2 with this design, and then this design's going to be retired. I'm planning to do another one in the spring. If you're interested, let us know. I'm working on getting a website set up right now, so that'll be coming soon. Yeah, a lot going on. I got a promotion at work. Yay, congratulations to me. So I'm making more money. Yeah, that's what it's all about, right? He's currently showing you our list of crap that needs to be done on each car, and his list just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and mine isn't moving. Gotta shine a light.
No, it's good.
Yes, there's a lot. The good thing is all the parts we pretty much have. It's just, you know, man hours and stuff that needs to get done. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. We'll come back with another one. I would like to say next week, but that probably ain't gonna happen if I'm gonna be honest. A couple weeks. So we'll see you guys in a couple weeks with some more progress on this stuff. It is February. so we're running out of time. So we're gonna be cranking out a lot of work here in a very short amount of time. So yeah, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Seriously, comment, people. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, you've been looking at the stats. I know a lot of y'all aren't subscribed. Do that. We are going to have a lot of content coming. A lot of good stuff. Should be awesome. The summer's going to be awesome. We're racing, going to be going to car shows, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, subscribe to view more content. Comment. Let me know what you guys think of these videos. If there's something different you want to see, let me know. I know my personality kind of sucks. I'm working on it. It is what it is. Yeah, so that's it. See you in the next one.
Outro music.